Hi everyone, welcome to the technical breakdown of our Q's application. In this video, I'll walk you through the code, focusing on the key features like API integration, layout design, dynamic question handling, and user feedback implementation. So first, let's see the code. So these are the libraries which we imported. First, from tkinder import all, then from pill, that is pillow, import image, image tk and image font, then from tkinder import message box. Also we have imported request. This used to make http request, that is like to use the API. Then we have imported random to shuffle the questions, and we have imported the HTML so that we were having some code in the questions which we retrieved from API. So to convert those codes to simple text, we used this HTML. Then we have set the root, we have set the title of the window and the setting the window size. We have set all the values for the Q's application. Then we have added a simple button click animation, that is when the button is clicked, the color of the button changes to a light gray color. Then we have submit function which allows to the switching of the frames, that is from we can switch the first frame, we can switch the second intro frame, then the second selection frame, then the rules frame, that is the instruction frame. Now coming to the fetching of the API. The fetch Q's question function connects to the Open Trivia database API using request library. Depending on the selected difficulty over here, depending on the selected difficulty level which the user choose, it dynamically fetches question using URL for easy, medium and hard. These are the URLs for easy, medium and hard. Now over here, the question are parsed using response.js, and then it converts to simple text with HTML.unescape. This function is used to handle HTML entities like and quote, which is used for double quotes, and hash 039. Such codes will be converted to simple text. Over here an else option is given, that is if the fetching of the API questions are failed, then this message will be shown. This code is used to give the answers, show the questions and shuffle the options. Now submit answer. So here what happens is like, when an answer is submitted, the submit answer function checks the selected answer against the correct one. So the correct one is inside this. So in the current question, what will be the correct answer? Over here, what answer replaces it, whether that's the option which was selected by the user, is checked in this function, and then the feedback is displayed using config method to update a label dynamically. Over here we have used the config method, and then correct answers are shown in green color and incorrect in red color. See, correct answers in green color and the FG is red for the incorrect answers. And also we have given whether the user clicks the submit button without selecting an answer, then this text will be shown. Now, after each submission, the next question will be shown. There will be a total of 10 questions which are shown to the user. So here the result function. In this step function, the score updates in real time after each question, and a simple counter increments for correct answers, and the final score is displayed at the end of the quiz in the fourth frame. Now comes the frame creation. That is the first frame, where all the introduction, that is the title of the quiz, the name of the quiz, then the two buttons are given in that same frame. One is to see the introduction and the other one to play the quiz. In the second frame, that is the introduction, there the it's about the game. In this frame you can see about the game. It's all used with the simple text, label functions, and the button. The buttons have the comments to take to the frame required. Then comes the second frame, that is a selection frame, where the easy, medium and hard buttons are given, along with another button, that is the rules button, where the instructions of playing the game is there. Now the third frame, that is the instruction. There all the instruction to play the game is given. All the frames have a different background image. Then the third frame, question frame. Here the questions and the options will be displayed with a submit button. Here we have used the radio button, where there are 4 options for each question, and it is placed using the place function. Then comes the fourth frame, that is a score frame. In this fourth frame, the score of the quiz will be shown along with 2 other buttons, that is the replay button and the exit button. After completing the quiz, users can restart or exit the app. The restart button resets all the variables and loads a new question, while the exit button closes the app gracefully. Then this is the animation given for all the buttons. Here I have only chose few buttons, not all the buttons, to make the user experience better. Then we erase the frame, and then root.main loop is also given. That's the technical breakdown of my quiz app. Through features like API integration, dynamic layouts, and real-time feedback, this project demonstrates how functionality and user experience come together. Thank you for watching.